Hey guys, Shadow here, and today I am going to do the transportation card trick. Now, what you need to do is tell me when to stop, or I'll say stop for you. Okay guys, I'm going to start off in here, my other hand. Stop. And now, guys, this is your card. Remember it? Okay. Now, put it back on top of the lower stack. Now, I'll wave my hand. Over the deck twice and 3 times. Snap my fingers and whoa, what's that card on the floor there? And it's your card, the 4 of Hearts. Now, how to do this trick? What you'll need is a deck that has the 4 of Heart, any card, 4 of Heart, any card, 4 of Hearts, any card, 4 of Hearts, any card, and you'll get the pattern. Now on the top, the 4 of Hearts, and any 2 random cards, then 4 of Hearts. So you'll need that deck. You'll take the 4 of Hearts from the bottom and set it anywhere before you start the trick. Now what you'll do is riffle the cards into your other hand. When they say stop, you look at the card of this stack, the top stack. It's the 5 of Diamonds, so you immediately know that the 4 of Hearts is right there, and that will be their card. But then, you just drop the deck, show it to them, and tell them to put it on the top of the lower stack. Put it back on, you close it, and you still know that card is still on the floor, and it is the 4 of Hearts. You wave your hand over the deck twice, and 3 times the charms. Snap your fingers, and there's a 4 of Hearts card right on the floor. And they will all be amazed that it's their card, the 4 of Hearts. So that was the disappearing card trick, or teleporting, or whatever you want to call it, card trick. Well, thanks guys for watching, and